Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Cars for India. Today we Junkhon Gari Kam Sam, India's first choice are one of the most selling cars, Swift Desire. Cliente kole amak jetiaw gari khon lage brand new. So with repairing, ami suggest for you to go for a new look. Tiaw initial junto color hoy gari hetu PP blue hoy. Then after some major discussion and some suggestion, we decided to go for STARGLAZE blue. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Garir condition to jodi ami sao, ekhon hol ekhon accidental car aru yar back side to completely damage hoise. Back side to iman damage hoar arot eta reason ase cliente koa mote gari khon pulisor gari re pasfalor pura khundi aise aru jehetu pulisor gari bilak mostly bolero ba heavy SUV thake to he karone eta heavy impact porise so etia besi deri nokori denting or kam to start koru aru gute khini sawa hok tar pisote start hobo puttir kam. গাড়ীখনৰ পুটি আৰু সাৰফেচৰ কামটো খতম হৈছে চাও আহক আৰু লগতে এতিয়া আটাইতকৈ ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং পাৰ্টটো আমাৰ যোনটো আমি ওয়েট কৰি থাকো হেতু চাম পেইন্টৰ কাম
Got me out in the deep, feeling I've been wrapped around your neck. When you burn me out like a cigarette, yeah. Drifting in the city, no sleep. Don't know where we headed for next. Maybe we should get lost in a sweet escape.
You tease me and you touch me, I'm going crazy about it. Keep saying that it's